Hey, it's Dr. Brian Prax, and I am on day 30 of the Trust Your Gut program, and I am super excited. I've got to be honest with you, the number one thing I've been missing the most is coffee. And yes, we can have rooibos and herbal teas and all that, and we can have coconut, but that's the one thing I've really been missing. And my wife, maybe it was my daughter, came up with an amazing Trust Your Gut approved, Paleo-Approved, vegan, gluten-free. It's got everything in it, and I think it's really amazing. This is what we've been drinking on at least once or twice daily. So let's flip the and check it out. Just look at that right there. So this is my cup of strong, because I like it strong, Good Hope Vanilla. So that's red tea, no caffeine. And I put a second bag, so I put a bag of each. This other one is double red rooibos tea. We put both of those in a coffee cup, or in this case, a teacup. I filled it a little under halfway. Put 2 bags in, filled it up with the hot water, let it steep for, usual 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. And then we took this organic creamer, and this is one of my favorite companies. It's called So Delicious. This is an organic creamer. Look at this, simply 5 ingredients, all good stuff, mostly coconut cream, coconut water, and then probably some other preservatives, but I looked at them, good enough, okay? So this we pour into a foamer. Now, I don't think you really have to go all out and do a foamer. You could just heat it up on the stovetop, and I think it would be good. Foamer's pretty cool, though. It's got this little thing in there that spins around and, of course, foams it up and heats it. So with this much water here, pour it in, and didn't quite fill up to the top, but that's okay because I like it strong. Now, Hannah, I think she put in a little bit of salt, and I think there's maybe some nutmeg and probably some cinnamon. And I tell you what, let's try. Let's see what it is. Ah, that is so good. So good. Nice and foamy. That's real good. So I really wanted to share that tip with you. That would be the Trust Your Gut, paleo, vegan. Pretty much any single program would allow that. And there's Blaze coming in. I was just doing a little thing. What do you think? You have the tea too?
Yeah, actually, right here.
How are you liking it?
I think it's delicious. Got a little bit of coconut creamer in there.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt on the top, some cinnamon.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah, it's really good. So that was our tip for today. Just wanted to share. Hope you make it a great day. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, I would ask you to hit the thumbs up button to like it. You can share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and please comment below. I will read it and I will respond. Thank you and have a nice day.